Deep in the rainforests of Indonesia lives a bird like no other. This dense, lush environment is home to countless species, but one stands out with its extraordinary beauty and vibrant colors. This is Wilson's bird of paradise, a small bird with extraordinary beauty. Its feathers are a kaleidoscope of colors, making it one of the most visually stunning birds in the world. Imagine a creature with feathers more vibrant than a rainbow. The Wilson's bird of paradise boasts a dazzling array of colors, from bright blues and greens to deep reds and yellows. Each feather seems to shimmer with an iridescent glow. Wilson's bird of paradise is truly a wonder of nature. Its unique appearance and behavior make it a fascinating subject for bird watchers and nature enthusiasts alike. Observing this bird in its natural habitat is a rare and unforgettable experience. Living in the dense rainforest, it fills the air with its unique songs. The calls of Wilson's bird of paradise are as distinctive as its appearance, adding a melodic soundtrack to the vibrant forest. But it's the male bird that steals the show with its dazzling appearance. During mating season, the male performs an elaborate dance, spreading its feathers to display their full splendor. This captivating performance is not just a visual treat, but also a crucial part of the bird's courtship ritual. The intricate patterns and vibrant colors of the male's feathers are designed to attract a mate. Each movement is carefully choreographed to highlight the bird's most striking features. This dance is a testament to the wonders of evolution and the beauty of the natural world. In the heart of the Indonesian rainforest, Wilson's bird of paradise continues to enchant and inspire all who are fortunate enough to witness its splendor. It serves as a reminder of the incredible diversity and beauty that our planet has to offer. The male, Wilson's bird of paradise, is a living jewel. Found in the lush rainforests of Indonesia, this bird is a marvel of nature. Its vibrant colors and unique features make it one of the most striking birds in the world. Its head is a bright turquoise, like the clearest sky. This vivid color is not just for show, it plays a crucial role in attracting mates. The male displays his head feathers proudly, shimmering in the sunlight. This cap of blue feathers is so bright it seems to glow in the shade of the rainforest. The iridescence of these feathers is a result of microscopic structures that reflect light, creating a dazzling effect. His chest is a deep red like a ruby necklace. This rich color contrasts beautifully with the turquoise of his head, making him even more eye-catching. The red feathers are a symbol of his health and vitality, but the most amazing features are his tail feathers. These feathers are not just for balance, they are a key part of his courtship display. Two elegant curved plumes, almost like thin wires, complete his spectacular outfit. These plumes are used in intricate dance rituals where the male showcases his beauty to potential mates. The combination of colors and the graceful movements make the Wilson's bird of paradise a true wonder of the avian world. The male Wilson's bird of paradise uses his incredible colors to attract a mate. He performs a dance unlike any other. He clears a stage on the forest floor, removing every leaf and twig. Then he begins to dance. He bobs his head, flashes his turquoise cap, and shows off his red chest. His tail feathers sway with every movement. It's a performance designed to impress. Section 4. A bird apart. There are many different types of birds of paradise, each with their own unique characteristics and beauty. These birds are known for their vibrant colors, elaborate plumage, and intricate courtship displays. They inhabit the dense rainforests of New Guinea and surrounding islands, where they play a crucial role in the ecosystem. But among all these magnificent creatures, Wilson's bird of paradise stands out as truly special. This bird is a marvel of nature, a testament to the wonders of evolution and natural selection. No other bird has that combination of bright blue, red, and those unique curly tail feathers. These striking colors and patterns are not just for show. They play a vital role in the bird's mating rituals and survival strategies, and no other bird puts on such a show. The mating dance of Wilson's bird of paradise is a spectacle to behold. The male performs an elaborate dance, showcasing his vibrant feathers and intricate movements to attract a mate. The way he clears his dancing stage, meticulously removing leaves and debris to create a perfect display area, is a testament to his dedication and precision. The way he shows off his colors, spreading his wings wide and flaunting his bright plumage, is a breathtaking sight. Each movement is carefully choreographed to maximize his appeal to potential mates. It makes him a true star of the rainforest. In the dense, vibrant world of the rainforest, Wilson's bird of paradise shines brightly, a symbol of the incredible diversity and beauty of life on Earth. Section 5. A treasure of the rainforest. Wilson's bird of paradise is a reminder that our world is full of surprises. It shows us that even in the deepest parts of the rainforest, incredible beauty can be found. This little bird, with its bright colors and lively dance, is a treasure worth protecting. It is a symbol of the amazing diversity of life on our planet.